Total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE, is the number of calories your body burns daily. It includes the energy used for basic bodily functions like breathing and digestion, as well as physical activity. To calculate your TDEE or maintenance calories, multiply your body weight with a number between 10 to 13. If you're young, lean and active, then multiply by 12 or 13. And if you're old, less lean and less active, then multiply with 10 or 11. After multiplication, you will get your total daily energy expenditure. This TDEE is your maintenance calories, which means if you eat these many calories, you will maintain your weight. And for weight loss, you have to eat less than your maintenance calories. Remember that this is just an estimate and a good starting point, which you have to adjust when you lose weight. As a general recommendation, keep a target of 300 to 500 calories deficit per day to prevent muscle loss and nutritional deficiencies.